Using Amazon Prime Visa for monthly payments is a convenient way to earn rewards and manage your expenses. To get started, you need to have an Amazon Prime membership and an Amazon Prime Visa card. If you don't have the card, you can apply for it on the Amazon website. First, navigate to the Amazon website and sign in to your account. Click on the Amazon Prime Visa card option and follow the prompts to apply for the card. Once you are approved, you will receive your card in the mail. To use your Amazon Prime Visa card for monthly payments, log into your Amazon account and go to the Payment Options section. Click on Add a Payment Method and select the Amazon Prime Visa card option. Enter your card information and click Save. Next, go to the Manage Your Payments section and select the Payment Plan option. Choose the monthly payment plan and select the Amazon Prime Visa card as your payment method. You can then choose the date you want to make your payments and the amount you want to pay each month. One of the benefits of using the Amazon Prime Visa card for monthly payments is that you earn rewards on your purchases. You can earn 5% back on purchases made on Amazon, 2% back on purchases made at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. To maximize your rewards, make sure to use your Amazon Prime Visa card for all your purchases, especially on Amazon. You can also use the card to pay for monthly subscriptions, such as Netflix and Spotify, and earn rewards on those purchases as well. In addition to earning rewards, using the Amazon Prime Visa card for monthly payments can also help you manage your expenses. You can set up automatic payments and receive reminders when your payments are due. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid late fees. To get the most out of your Amazon Prime Visa card, make sure to read the terms and conditions and understand the interest rates and fees associated with the card. You can also use the Amazon website to track your rewards and payments, and to make changes to your payment plan as needed. Overall, using the Amazon Prime Visa card for monthly payments is a convenient and rewarding way to manage your expenses. By following these steps and using the card regularly, you can earn rewards, stay on top of your finances, and make the most of your Amazon Prime membership.